Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of RawSpiceBar. I've done several unboxings from this company on my channel before, but they've changed a lot of things throughout the years. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now and what it comes with. So you can either pick your own spices each month, or you can just get like the pre-selected ones, which I believe is what this is. They always give you a little wine voucher card inside as well, if anybody would like to use that. I've never redeemed one of those, but there's a code for it. So you can go into the store and either pick the pre-selected one, which is 3 spices like this, or you can look at the spices and pick which ones you want to try. And I do like that they have a whole variety of spices, and a lot of them are salt-free spices. And if you're like me, I do watch my salt intake because it's just everywhere, and I had blood pressure issues with Jackson, so I pay attention to that. So I appreciate that they have salt-free spices. But these are the ones that they sent me. After you select which ones you want, you can do it monthly, or you can do it quarterly, or you can do it every 6 months. So I like that. They've adjusted a lot of things. So here's the first one. I'm not going to try to pronounce that because I know I will butcher it. But down here at the bottom, it tells you everything that's in there. So there's toasted coriander, toasted cumin, black peppercorns, cinnamon, fennel, fenugreek, Greek cardamom, bay leaves, black cardamom, black cumin, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, and star anise. I love star anise. So that's probably really good. And then we have a classic. We have an apple pie spice. And these are 100% spices, freshly ground. This one has cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, green cardamom, star anise, grains of paradise, and rosemary. These are all 1 ounces. Well, actually, that's an ounce. And the other 2 are 1.1 ounces. And they are resealable here. They're sealed fresh. Once you rip them open, there's a little Ziploc type thing here so you can seal them. And this one is a poultry seasoning. I will probably use this one the most, quite honestly. This one has sage, thyme, telecherry, black peppercorns. Never heard of that. Marjoram, rosemary, celery seed, white peppercorns, Greek oregano, onion granules, garlic granules, and ginger. So very cool. I love these little pouches too. I have tons of these in my cabinet from ones I've collected over the years. And I have like some curry ones that are really good. When I'm sauteing vegetables, I'll sprinkle a little bit of that in there. So I like that they have a lot of interesting blends. So yeah, go check them out. I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.